Hello everyone, welcome to Infigyan. In this video, we are going to solve an exponential equation, that is 2 power 16 power x is equal to 16 power 2 power x. So let's solve this question. I am going to solve this by two methods. So let's see. Method 1. Take log both sides. So I will consider 16 power x, 2 power x. Take log both sides. So equation will be 16 power x log 2 is equal to 2 power x log 16. Now I will calculate log 16 is log 2 power 4. So I will write 4 log 2. I am using the logarithmic properties only. Now 16 power x can be written as 2 power 4 power x because 16 is 2 power 4. Swap the exponents. So I can write 2 power x power 4. These two things. So it will be 2 power x power 4 log 2, and I am taking 2 power x power log 16, that in the left side. So equation will be 2 power x into 4 log 2 equal to 0. Now you can see log 2 is common and only thing is 2 power x power 4. So 2 power x power 4 is same as 2 power x power 3 into 2 power x. How it is? We will write 2 power x power 4 as 2 power 4x, and then 4x I will write 3x plus x. Now I can write 2 power 3x into 2 power x. So let me write this: 2 power x power 3 times 2 power x power 1. That means 2 power x log 2 minus 2 power x power 1, that is same 4 log 2 equal to 0. Now take common whatever is common. So 2 power x is common, log 2 is common. So I will write 2 power x power 3, that means 2 power 3x minus what is left 4 equal to 0. Now you can see the product rule, the product 0 rule. So that rule is either 2 power x should be equal to 0 or log 2 should be equal to 0 or bracket equal to 0. So let me write first 2 raised to the power x is equal to 0, log 2 is equal to 0, or 2 raised to the power x power 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2 raised to the power x is equal to 0. It is never possible, because whether you are putting x 0, negative or positive, for real solution 2 raised to the power x cannot be equal to 0. Now come to the second one. Log 2 is equal to 0 because log 2 is 0.3010. So it is not possible. Not possible. So what is left? That is third bracket. So I will write 2 raised to the power 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2 raised to the power 3x is equal to 4 means 2 raised to the power 2. So 3x will be equal to 2. Why? Because base is same, then exponent must be equal to each other. So x will come out 2 over 3. This is our absolute answer, perfect answer. Let's start the second method. Let's see how we will solve using second method. Method 2, let me write. So I am starting with 16 as using exponent. We will solve this problem. So 2 raised to the power 16 power x will be equal to 2 raised to the power 4 power 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 power 2x, 2 power x. So I can write this as 2 raised to the power 4 times 2x. and that is same as 2 raised to the power 2 square 2x equal to 2 raised to the power 2x plus 2. You must be agree with that. See, the exponent is 16 2 power 4, then 2 power 4, 4 as 2 power 2. Now in exponent we know that if base is same, we can add its power or exponent. So it will come out 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x plus 2. And what is left hand side? So let me write one time. 16 power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x plus 2. Base is same. So I will equate exponent. Exponent is 16 power x and here 2 power x plus 2. So that will be equal to 2 power x plus 2. Now I will only try to convert 16 into base 2. So we know that 2 raised to the power 4 whole power x equal to 2 raised to the power x plus 2. Now 2 raised to the power, by the property of exponent, a raised to the power b raised to the power c, then I can write a raised to the power bc, product in the powers. So I will write 2 raised to the power 4x will be equal to 2 raised to the power x plus 2. Again your base is same, exponent must be equal. So let me write 4x is equal to x plus 2. Take away x both sides. So 3x will be equal to 2. So x will be equal to 2 over 3. I hope you understood by both the methods how you will solve exponential equation using exponents and using logarithm. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.